We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. Find out why our customers are so happy and value their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're happy to say we've earned our glowing reviews one customer at a time. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.